It hurts.
Not good for you.
You're both really weak.
It's so cold.
I'm gonna have their hands in there. Was it gone?
He's done. He lost. Oh wait. No, they gotta do 10 pushes and then they come back down.
Oh, that's a good push-up, Jamie. I'm impressed.
Oh, Jamie's push-ups are so much better than Gwen's.
Yeah, I knew. Here, you got it. Jamie,
Jamie, you got it. Yeah.
Yay!
Jamie, you won. Good job.
I won!
No way.
Incredible!
He won.
What a comeback.